Local news for Monday the 3rd of July. After 4 years at the helm of Pukaha Bruce National Wildlife Centre, General Manager Helen Tickner is stepping down. Mrs Tickner is leaving the role at the end of August and says she's proud of her achievements during her tenure. These included the installation of new wastewater and toilet facilities, the building and development of the new free flight aviary, and the transfer of management for Pukaha from the Department of Conservation to the Pukaha Board. Chairman of the board, Bob Francis, thanked Mrs Tickner for the last 4 years of hard work and successful guidance to the attraction. Mr Francis says the board is so appreciative of the work Helen has put in and the successes she's achieved during her time as General Manager, and we wish her well. Motu Wairaki marae in Riversdale was destroyed by fire yesterday morning. Crews were called to the marae, which had been completely destroyed just before 10 to 5. And the turning of the first sod for the Colombo Road netball courts that took place on Saturday. Around 50 people attended the events ahead of construction prep due to begin later this month. And on the 26th, former Silver Fern Bernice Minnie will be in town running a defensive netball clinic. And in sport for the weekend's club rugby, Friday night saw Gladstone beat Ikirahunu 54-26. In Saturday's game, Martinborough beat Marist at 38-19. Carterton beat East Coast 59-12, and a tight tussle in Greytown saw the home side come out on top 24-18.